Okay, so we have two eggs, and this one's going to be going in the freezer for 24 hours, and this one's going to be staying in room temperature. And now I'm going to pour the vinegar, and this will dissolve the shell by the end of the 24 hours. But we're going to see if temperature affects the rate of this.
We will be taking pictures every 6 hours to keep a log of what the egg looks like and its shell.
The experiment we are conducting pertains to the chapter about acids and bases, which we are currently learning about in chemistry.
The equation we are using in this experiment is the shell calcium carbonate plus vinegar, which is going to react to create an unstable acid, creating water and carbon dioxide bubbles, as well as calcium acetate. It's hour 8, and we've noticed that there is not much of a difference between the egg that we placed in 40 degrees and the one we had at room temperature. Both have bubbles around the egg and bubbles that have surfaced to the top with a slight brownish color that resembles the shell. However, the one that was placed in 40 degrees does have a little bit larger amount of bubbles at the top.
It's hour 16 of our experiment, and I've noticed that most of the brown part of the shell has risen to the top along with the bubbles, and both of the eggs are a white color with many bubbles around them.
It's been a day since we placed both of the eggs in the vinegar, one in the room temperature and this one in the refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. They both appear to kind of have the same consistency, which is kind of squishy and like a smooth outer cover. But the outer cover is not the shell necessarily. It's just like a small layer protecting like the egg white and the inside egg yolk.
This is the refrigerated egg, and with the light, you can like see through it. Like you could see the yolk. Like I don't know if you could really see that on the video, but yeah, it's really cool and like it's like squishy.
And this is the egg at room temperature. You can't really tell, but it's very like both are very yellow. They have the same color, so I wouldn't say that the temperature really affected it too much like we thought it would. Thanks for watching.
Hope you learned something.